Assalamu alaikum. We will start with our first chapter in mathematics, that is Roman numerals. Now, what are Roman numerals? The normal numbers which you write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are known as international numbers. While in the olden days, that is in the Roman Empire, this is how they used to use numbers. In first clock, blue color clock, you can see numbers 1 to 12. These numbers are known as international numbers. These numbers known internationally. Everyone are aware about these numbers. We use this type of clocks everywhere and we can see this type of clock everywhere. Second clock, red color clock. In this clock, instead of numbers, there are some symbols. These symbols are Roman numerals. Now we will start with our first chapter, Roman numerals, part 1. Listen carefully, everyone. Gita. This clock does not have numbers. It has some symbols instead. Here, Gita is asking to her teacher, in this clock, numbers are not there. Instead of numbers, they use some symbols. Teacher. Yes, Gita. These are Roman numerals. In Europe, in the olden times, Roman capital letters were used to write numbers. That is why they were called Roman numerals. Teacher was telling, yes, Gita, these symbols are known as Roman numerals. In the olden times, Roman people used capital letters, Roman capital letters, as their numbers. That is why they are known as Roman numerals. The letter I was the symbol used for 1, V for 5, and X for 10. Now, in this method, there was no symbol for 0. Also, the value of a symbol did not change with its place. In the Roman method, in Roman numerals, there is no specific symbol for 0, and the value of symbol did not change its place. If I write I, either left hand side or right hand side of a number, the value will be the same. The value of I is 1. I will write I left hand side or right hand side. The value will be 1 only. It will not going to change. There are certain rules for writing numbers using the Roman numerals. For writing Roman numerals, there are certain rules which you need to follow. Now, let us see how to write 1 to 20 using these rules and the symbol I, V and X. We will write international numbers from 1 to 20 in Roman numerals, and we will see how to write these numbers using some rules. Rule number 1. If either of the symbol I or X is written consecutively. Now, what do you mean by consecutively? One after another, 2 or 3 times. Their sum total is the number they make. If I will write 1 or X consecutively 2 or 3 times, then I need to add the numbers. I need to add the value of the symbols. Example, 2i. The value of I is 1. 2i means 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Next example, x. Double x. Now what is the value of x? 10. Double x means 2 times 10. 10, 10. We need to add the number. Add the value of alphabet. X plus x. That means 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. Next, 3 times I. That means 3 times 1, and we need to add the value of numbers. That means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Rule number 2. The symbol I or X can be repeated consecutively. Again consecutively. What do you mean by consecutively? One after another for a maximum of 3 times. Listen once again carefully. The symbol X or I can be repeated consecutively for a maximum of 3 times. The numeral V is never repeated consecutively. Now see the examples carefully. Example number 1. If I want to write number 1, I will write as single I, 1 I. For number 2, 2 I. For number 3, 3 I. For number 4, 4 I. No, it's wrong. For number 4, we will not write 4 I. Why? Because I and X can be repeated maximum of 3 times. We cannot use I or X 4 times. We can write only maximum of 3 times. Next example, 10, the value of 10, the value of X is 10. For 20, X 2 times. For 30, X 3 times. But for 40, X 4 times? No, it's wrong. Again, I and X can be repeated maximum of 3 times. Now for 5, we will write as V. For 10, we will write 2 times V. No, wrong. Again, for 10, we will not write V 2 times because V is never repeated consecutively. Rule number 3. When either I or V is written on the right of the symbol of bigger number, its value is added to the bigger number. Once again, when either I or V is written on the right of the symbol of a bigger number, its value is added to the bigger number. See the examples carefully. V I. Now what is the value of V? 5. What is the value of I? 1. The I is written on the right side of the bigger number. So we need to add the values. 5 plus 1 is equals to 0. Next, X and I. What is the value of X? 10. What is the value of I? 1. The I is written on the right hand side of the bigger number. Then we will add the value. 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. Next, V and 3 times I. The value of V is 5. 3 times I, that means 1, 1, 1. I written on the right hand side of the bigger number. We will add the values. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 8. Next, X plus I. 3 times I. Again, the I is written on the right hand side of the bigger number. We will add all the values. The value of X is 10. 3 times I means 3 times 1. 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 13. Next, X and V. The value of X is 10. The value of V is 5. Now V is written on the right hand side of the bigger number. We will add the values. 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. Next, X, V and I. Again, V and I are on the right hand side of the bigger number. That means we need to add all the values. The value of x is 10, the value of v is 5, and the value of I is 1. We will add all the values. 10 plus 5 plus 1 is equals to 16. Rule number 4. When I is written on the left of v or x, then its value is subtracted from the value of v or x. However, the symbol I is not written more than once before v or x. Listen once again. When I is written on the left hand side of v or x, then its value is subtracted from the value of v or x. However, the symbol I is not written more than once before v or x. Now see the examples. I and v. I is written on the left hand side of the number. That means we need to subtract the value. The value of I is 1. The value of v is 5. We will subtract the value. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Next example. I and x. The value of x is 10. The value of I is 1. We need to subtract the value. That means 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. But the number 8 is not written as IIX. Why? Because I only used once before v or x. That means on the left hand side we will write I only once. Now these are Roman numerals from 1 to 20. The value of I is 1, the value of v is 5, and the value of x is 10. For 1 we will write 1i. For number 2 we will write 2i. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. For number 3 we will write 3i. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3. For number 4 we will write I and v. So the value will be 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Next, number 5 we will write v. For number 5. For number 6, v and I. When we will write I on the right hand side, the value will be added. When we will write I on the left hand side, then the value will be subtracted. 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. 7 v I. 5 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 7. For 8 v I. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 8. For 9 I and x. The I is written on the left hand side, so the value will be subtracted. 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. For 10 x. 11 x I. 10 plus 1. I is written on the right hand side. The value will be added. 12 x 1 I. 10 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 12. 13 x I. 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 13. For 14 x I v. That means the value of x is 10. 5 minus 1 is equals to 14. Here we write 4. This way only we will write 14. 15 x and v. 10 plus 5. 16 x v I. 10 plus 5 plus 1 is equals to 16. 17 x v I. 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 17. 18 x v I. 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 8. 19 x I x. 10 plus 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. 20 x x. 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. Now there are some more Roman numerals. Roman people used only 7 symbols to express various numbers. They used only 7 symbols. These are I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Now for I, the value of I is 1. The value of V is 5. The value of X is 10. The value of L is 50. The value of C is 100. The value of D is 500. And the value of M is 1000. Now let's revise. Question number 1. In Europe, in the olden times, Roman capital letters were used to write numbers. They are called dash. Option number A. International numbers. Option number B. Roman numerals. What is the correct answer? B. Roman numerals. Very good. Your answer is right. Question number 2. In Roman numerals, 6 is written as option A, V, I, option B, I, V. Option B is the correct answer. Okay, let's see. No, it's wrong answer. Option A is the correct answer. Yes. Question number 3. In Roman numerals, 14 is written as dash. A, XIV, B, XIII. What is the correct answer? A or B? A or B? A. Yeah, very good. Correct answer. Next question. In Roman numerals, 19 is written as dash. Option A, X, V, I, or option B, X, I, X. Option A is the correct answer. No, it's wrong answer. Option B is the correct answer. Very good. Great work. Now, this is your worksheet problem set number 1 from your textbook. You need to complete this work in your notebook. Write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. You can take Roman numbers from 1 to 20. Write the numbers using international numerals. Now in question number 2,